cases of false positive malaria until the actual problem is addressed. I recall my son. My son was, how old then? I think about 13, when he came down with this terrible fever. And that was the time that they just brought in artemisinin and co. So I took him to a doctor friend, and we had treated, we gave all the artemisinin, everything, 5 times. I recall very well, 5 times, and the temperature just kept going up. It was going as far as 40 degrees centigrade. So I had to call in one of my friends, who is elderly friend, so a pediatrician, and he went to the clinic to look at the child. He sat here, he watched him for a short while, and he said, I'm interested in that chest. We are not thinking of chest. He said, I'm interested in that chest. All he did was occasionally. So by the time we went through the X-ray and everything, he had bacterial pneumonia. Then we started treating. That was when I found out I used to go and saw fuel with his mouth to put inside jail. Anyway, so he came down with bacterial pneumonia. And I probably would have lost him if we kept treating malaria. Then he's also talking about sexually transmitted infections, antenatal care. We need